In light of the recent wildfires in LA, I want to tell you about ready.gov. This is an official government website that can help you get prepared for natural disasters and emergencies. Again, ready.gov. So you can see it covers everything from floods, hurricanes, wildfires, etc. It teaches you how to build a go bag, how to come up with a disaster preparedness plan for your home or business. So we'll click on wildfires here. And you can contact FEMA if your house is burned down in a wildfire. They can offer you resources and help. So again, I won't spend too much time scrolling through everything on this website. I just want to make you aware of it. And remember, it's a good idea to come up with a emergency response plan for your home and business and have a go bag with medications, IDs, passport, the title or deed to your house, your car, a copy of your car insurance, registration, insurance cards, medical cards for you and your kids. Make sure you have your passwords and usernames for all of your, bank accounts, etc. And you can keep important documents in a locked, fireproof safe or portable little box that you can lock. You also want to have several gallons of clean potable water on hand. First aid kit. Know your evacuation route out of your neighborhood. Do you have a way to contact your kids if they're at school? Maybe with a smartwatch they can wear, or if they have a cell phone. And keep a defensible space around your property, around your house. You don't want to have bushes and trees and grass and weeds growing up right up against your house, because if a hot ember in a wildfire lands on those type of things, it can potentially set your house on fire. And then it's also a good idea to have N95 masks on hand as part of your emergency kit at home and at work. So if it's really smoky outside, you can wear an N95 mask so you're not breathing in all that particulate and soot and smoke in the air. And if it is very smoky outside, you want to keep all your windows and doors closed, run your HVAC system. You can run a portable HEPA filtration air purifier inside your home. And then, of course, make sure you're listening to the emergency broadcasts, local authorities that give updates, etc. Also, a good idea to make sure you never let your car run low on gas. Good rule of thumb, when you get down to half a tank, fill up your gas tank. That way you're always ready to go. And you can even practice a drill at home. So if there is an emergency, you and your family can practice getting your stuff together, putting it in the car. Also a good idea to have a fire extinguisher in your home. So you can order free preparedness materials here. Again, there's lots of clickable links on this website. Great resource for emergency preparedness in your home or business. Again, the website is ready.gov. That's G-O-V. I hope this information helps you. So we'll click over. So you can see these documents that you can print or save. And again, things like spare batteries, a spare power supply for your smartphone, etc. And if you can't afford it, a battery backup, a portable generator. I hope this information helps you.